Hi there, this is Chris Kellett from MuseGrid.com, and we're going to look at the show off logo sliders here today. So if I open them up, this is what you get in the pack. You get three logo sliders. You get this one here, and this larger one here, and then this mini one for sitting in the sidebar of a page. So let's just go ahead and preview and see what they do. So we get this nice sliding action here. You click the logo slide. These ones do the same. These ones also have a rollover state, so they go from a black and white to a colored version. And then you've got the mini slider here. We've also set the sliders up to be on shuffle, so that they load up a different page each time the page loads. So let's take a look at how this is put together. We're going to first of all copy and paste this over. So I've already copied this version here and pasted it onto this page. Let's center it here. And let's take a look at how it's broken down. Now, we're using the tooltip widget here. We've got it set on stacked and on click. And we're using the previous and next parts here. We've got it set to autoplay, shuffle, enable swipe, triggers on top, and also we've got the hide all initially declicked so that it shows straight away. We've also got the autoplay switched on with a 0.5 second transition and 5 seconds between each load. So if we click on the unit itself, we can see this is the full dimensions, and we can click on the arrows and the left and right arrows, and we can see their rollover states here. And then if we click deeper into the unit, if we click on this particular item here, what we're clicking on is an image, and if I rescale it, you can see that the graphic here is rescaling. Let's scale it smaller, and then behind it is another block, and that's sitting in the actual slide itself. So you've got these four grey blocks, sorry, spaced evenly in the unit, and then we've got the logos on top. So in order to change the logo, you can just delete that logo, and let's just copy this one, for example, and put it in place. So imagine this was one of your own logos, you can just put it in place there. Let's take a preview of that now, and we can see here now we've changed the logo. So it's really as easy as that, and you can copy from the MuseGrid package file, just select and copy it over to your own site and paste it in place, make your modifications and upload, and everything will be there for you. Hope this answers any questions you've had about how to modify this particular widget, and thanks for watching.